Thank you for your media person. Today, why we have to come press meet for Pherangke LP school. We are very unhappy because Pherangke school is established. Pherangke school was established before 2020, before 2004. So from that day onwards, I was very busy and I was very intensely. I gave importance for this school to upgrade for future. So why I call you today is very surprising because Pherangke school, this does mean my own village. Pherangke school is going to immigrate non-K Gore school. But I want to ask only two questions. Immigration mean killing the school. This school, Pherangke school, killing. That means completely killing. So with the committee, SMC committee, Pherangke school, we are not going to accept because this school is not only for me, for the whole entire area. So these two questions is that by officially or by politically. It is done by officially, then why there is no any negotiation with the SMC committee and even the teaching staff? There is no any discussion. Then how this order can be accepted and how this order was made? I want to ask this. By officially, then officially must be in rule and law system. But there is no law system, there is no rule system. By blindly dismiss. I want to say that this is blindly order. Because no negotiation, no discussion with meaning committee, with teacher staff. Therefore, from my side, not only from my side, from committee side, we are totally going to consider that this is blindly order. Because without discussion, how it can be made order? It is very surprising. And if it is by politically, then politically power is not a permanent. Political power may be existed today, may be demolished tomorrow. Therefore, political power must not be included in the educational institution. Therefore, no one political leader might not to think that he or she has got power, so he may do as he like, as she like. We are not going to accept whatever you are going to willing, whatever you are willing to do, we are not going to accept. Because educational is not a part of political. And political and education is not a part of business. All must know that. But we are very surprising and we are condemnable. Why our school is going to immigration? If our school is going to immigration like that school, and there are many schools, those teachers are sitting at home years and years and receiving their salary. For those teachers, why council and the local leader of and the political leader of Juar Baguri has they cannot see order. They cannot see order. Why they have not seen those teachers, those who have not attended their duty? And there are many primary teachers. Those schools are below 20 students. Those schools are below 11 students. For that school, they can do nothing. But only Himayati school, they are witness only the Himayati school. Why? Because today I am the president of APSSC Dual Bakuri. For that reason, I want to ask, for that reason or what? Political and education cannot go hand in hand. Therefore, it must be separated. And if our school is going to immigrate to other non-K school, there are many schools. Those schools must be immigrated. If that school is if those schools below 20 students, below 10 students, that school must also be immigrated. Our request, in those teachers, those who have not attended their duty year and year, month and month, why for those teachers, no even any action has been taken still so far. So my request is that this is not acceptable. We are not going to give any signature by political meeting committee. We are not going to give any signature. If you are willing, then you can shift, you can immigrate. That is no problem. But political power is not a permanent. So if the power changes, my school will be, I will bring back. As same as today. So therefore, political leader must be take necessary step. This is not your prominent thinking, your good thinking. It may not be accepted by Himayati meeting committee. We are not going to accept. Immigration is not a very easy step. It is made by 1 or 2% made their policy and they had made this order. But it is not officially based that we are not going to accept. Therefore, my request is that from today onwards, you may shift to a non-K school, but after the power change, I will bring back my school. But today you have got your power, political power, you can do as you wish. But every public meeting, and I have heard that many KSA and KSA organization and many public meeting, education EM has given a good speech that Karbi Anglong should have a good quality education. But today it is just only speaking, but the work has nothing. That is why our school is going to immigrate non-K school. Then why the council authority has given appointment to many primary teachers, simply giving their salary, but the school is day by day is going to immigrate, and there are many school teacher has not attended year and year, month and month. Why the council team has not taken any action? And from today, this is just a warning press meet. But ahead from today or tomorrow, if the council authority and the education aim is not taken any important to this press meet, then we are going to give again and again press meet, and there will be no any limit. There may be blaming, there may be any, we are going to blame even education aim, even local leader, but still now we are digesting, we are not going to give any blaming speech. But if the council is not hear our press meet, then we are going to give a blame press meet. That is 100%. So today my press meet is that we are kindly request that the order of emergency Amei school to non-Kegor school must be withdrawn. We are requesting that, earnestly requesting that, if it is possible to withdraw, then it should withdraw your order. So we are very grateful here. So we will be grateful to you. But if the order is not going to withdraw, given by the council authority, then we are more to sit press meet again and again. With this warning press meet, I concluded my press meet speech. Thank you.